2011 Ram 3500 Crew Cab Pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, turbocharged diesel i6, 6.7L 408, rear-wheel drive, 2FH Laramie Customer Preferred Order Selection Package Inc., 6.7L i6 turbo diesel engine, 6-speed auto trans, 6-speed automatic transmission WAUD Inc., 3.73 axle ratio O trans, oil cooler tip start, light pebble beige bark brown interior, leather trimmed low back bucket seats Inc., ventilated front seats, heated rear seats WDG7 auto trans Inc., storage tray, media center 730 north Inc., AM/FM stereo WCD DVD MP3 player, GPS navigation system, 30 GB hard disk drive, 6.5 touchscreen display, UC Onnect voice command W, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite traffic, 1-year traffic service, turbocharged, locking limited slip differential, rear